he left his planet to drive on Earth. Out of this world righteous.
Hello humans, once again. What is this? This is rain? This strange weather. Oh, human, what do you do with that? When it's rain, almost go home and waiting for me and watching videos on YouTube. Yes, it's a nice idea. Watching video on YouTube. Why it is raining? On my planet, it's no raining, no snow, only sun. Here is snow, is rain, is storm, lightning. What? Many things. It's raining, but it's okay. I'm going to United States of America. I need to drive, I don't know, 50 days, 60 days to go in. My ending point is Los Angeles, city of sin. Oh, I didn't like it. See you next time, humans.